Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. Welcome back to Republic Spoken English Academy Kalburgi. This is Dattu GH from Republic Spoken English Academy Kalburgi, and I am a professional spoken English trainer. I have been teaching communication skill and spoken English for the past 11 years. I have worked in different training institution. I have taught communication skill for everyone's, and so far I have trained more than 5000 students in Kalburgi city. I help students to overcome their hesitation and fear. Right now I am running my own training center, the Republic Spoken English Academy Kalburgi. Today I have with me my student, and his name is Mohammad Rais, and he has been coming to my class for the past 2 months, and he's with me, and we will have general conversation, we will have general talks. Okay, and first of all I would like to ask you, how are you feeling today, sir?
Sir, I am feeling happy, sir.
Okay, how are you now? Are you okay?
Yes, sir, I am okay, sir.
Okay, so if you are fine, if you are okay, if you don't have any hesitation and fear,
Yes.
let's have some healthy discussion. Okay, fine. So you tell me, first of all I would like to know, okay, and you tell me something about yourself. Introduce yourself, please. You walk and give yourself introduction, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Today I will introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Rais and I am from Gulbarga. I have completed my MBA. I love learning new things.
Yes, one second. I want you to make eye contact. Okay, you have to make eye contact. So our communication, I have spoken about importance of body language last time. I have told you how communication is important, how body language is very
Yes, sir.
important, and you speak like you have to make eye contact. Hi, good morning, everyone. This is Mohammad Rais. I am from Kalburgi. I have completed my MBA at APA University. Like this, when you speak, when you make eye contact, it's very important. It builds our trust. Eye contact, when you make with students and with people, with audience, so they will trust you. They will hear you whatever you speak. Okay, that is very important. Very well. You are trying for the first time, and very well you are trying. Just introduce yourself, please. Yes.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today I will introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Rais and I am from Gulbarga.
Okay.
I have completed my MBA. I love learning new things. I am working hard and improve my English. I am speaking practice every day.
Okay.
I am positive person and hard working person. I can speak more than 3 languages. I can speak Kannada and Hindi and English. I have many hobbies. I like traveling. I like playing ball. I like playing cricket. I like many hobbies. I don't share with you.
Okay. You have many hobbies, but you don't like to share with us.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So next, I would like to know, sir. For example, you came to my session, right? You came to spoken English class. You tell me, why did you join spoken English course? Why did you decide to learn English?
Yes, sir. English is very important for everyone. But I have completed MBA. One day before, I went to Hyderabad and I attended an interview. I got rejected because communication skill of my low,
Okay.
and I felt sad. And now I did not give up,
Okay.
and I preparing a communication skill.
Mhm. It means you have decided to learn English because of your interview. Means you got rejected when you went for interview. That's really nice. Okay. And who told you about our training center, about Republic Spoken English class? Who referred my institution to learn English here?
My friend told me. My friend name is Fairoz sir. Uh, I came to Kalburgi, but I don't know where side is a spoken English class.
Okay.
As my friend told me, Khadir Chowk side is a Republic spoken class. Class is very helpful is everyone, and I attending a Republic spoken class, and my English is very low. I don't know how to learn English, but I came to spoken English class, and
Okay.
my English is very improving. Very improving and nowadays.
Okay, fine. It means your friend has referred my institution.
Yes, sir.
What's your friend name?
My friend name is Fairoz sir.
Oh, Fairoz. Okay, he also comes to spoken English class. Okay, that's nice. And do you think English is very important nowadays? English communication is very significant for students. Okay, is it important or not important? Just to.
English is very important for everyone. English is international language and global language. You English speaking in so many opportunities outside, and your English is very important for everyone. Your English you talking and increasing and confidence.
It means it's an international language. Wherever we go, people understand English, people talk English, people communicate in English.
Yes.
In case we travel to any one place to another place, if we want to interact with people, we should know English. English helps us to convey the message. Yeah, exactly. Okay. And very nice. You have spoken well, sir. And you are trying your level best. Okay. And you have attended only 2 months. When you came to class for the first time, I have seen your communication. I have seen your body language. Your communication was very poor. But within 2 months, you have progressed your communication skill. You have improved your communication skill. You have improved your confidence also, and you are doing well. And one thing I want to tell you, whenever you speak English, you should not worry about mistakes, okay? And you should not think about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learnings. We have to accept our mistake and we should learn from our mistakes, okay? Very well, you have tried well. And just you have another 1 month course, you are going to master English communication, no problem. I will make you speak in English. I will give you a lot of confidence. I will give you ideas. I will suggest you how to speak English. I will guide you. And whenever you make mistake, I will rectify your sentence. I will make you, fluent speaker. Don't worry about it. So it was a great and very remarkable conversation. And it was really, good practice with me.
Okay.
And it was very fantastic.
Okay,
Okay,
thanks.
thank you. Please take your seat. Nice.